In this how-to video, we're going to look at ways to modify an existing project. The first step in modifying or making edits to a project is isolating the project itself. Now, that can depend on many things, right? If you happen to be on the dashboard and the project is within the recently viewed projects, you can just select a project from there and initiate whatever modifications you might need to make to the client details, to the project itself. However, if you're trying to isolate a list of projects for a given client, the easiest way of doing that is to go to your client listing window, pick the client from the list, and upon selecting the client, you'll see that the client summary will present you with all the available projects that you have for that existing client. So at this point, if you're trying to make a change to one of the available projects for a client, this screen here will give you visibility to all the various projects that exist for that client. So at this point, if I need to make a change to this 2021 projection project for Andrea Smith, I can just now select the project from here. I'm inside of the project. And while you're sitting on the summary tab is where you're going to be able to go in back to the client profile, keeping in mind that the client details within the project are specific to that project and will not go back up to the client attributes in the main client profile. Just a caveat there. So that's one option. Of course, if I want to edit the due date or the aliases that I have on this project, etc., I can do that here as well. So this concludes the lesson on how to make modifications to an existing project.